This video, we're pretty much gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys all the little neat freaking things that are going on with the motor right now. I know a lot of you guys want to see the supercharger and stuff like that, so I want to show you every single clearance space that's in there because everything is so damn tight. I had to do a lot of freaking manufacturing kind of things to make it fit, so I want to show you guys that as well. And I'm also gonna show you us towing the car tomorrow and getting to the actual tuning place, and then Saturday we get tuned, and I'll show you guys that in a separate episode. Without further ado, go ahead and smash the like button in this video. We're gonna need all the luck possible. Smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you don't know, I'm still keeping that promise. If we reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, I will go ahead and give away my GTR style taillights for absolutely free. You don't even have to do anything. I will pay shipping completely free. Shout out to Jello.Z34 once again for letting me borrow both of his 5-gallon jugs. We're gonna go ahead and fill them up with E85 because we're gonna have to take them to the tuning place. Here is the magic, guys. I want to show you all the tight space here. I want to show you exactly everything we have going on here. This right here, this hose, this is going to the boost gauge valve. This pretty much connects to all the wiring that goes inside the boost gauge inside the car. This T right here gets teed off into this hose that goes into the manifold for the boost gauge, of course, to read off the boost inside the manifold. And then the other hose gets directed down there into the blow-off valve. You guys see there's the blow-off valve right there, and then you guys can see the hose is connected to the blow-off valve. But what I mainly want to show you guys is exactly how the piping fit, because this freaking piping was so tight, like literally it cannot fit, bro. Less than the width of my finger. Like literally it's the slightest freaking thing. Like everything, it's gonna be amazing how everything's gonna run, because everything's gonna run fine according to our calculations. Nothing's gonna rub, nothing's gonna hit, but the margin of error is so small. Like I'm talking about, like this is less than a 1/4 inch space. Like it's so damn tight. You guys come down here, this is where the piping follows. This is the AC pulley right here, and there's the AC line right here that I actually zip tied because I don't want this to move. It doesn't feel like it wants to move, but I just zip tied it just in case, so this AC line doesn't end up hitting the AC pulley, because it used to sit right here in the middle naturally, but now the piping's going through. So literally, again, the margin of error there is like super small. Like you guys see this space right here, it's like my finger doesn't even fit in there. Like it's like a 1/4 inch space, so like super tight space. So the fans, like you can see right there, barely. You guys see that freaking thing right there with the 3 lines? That's the things that goes into the fans right there. We had to pretty much grab a sander with the Dremel and pretty much shave it halfway off. We shave it off. We even completely Dremeled off one of them. You guys can see how it's all shriveled up right there. That's because we got the Dremel and freaking chopped it up and shredded it down halfway so we can go ahead and fit the piping, because this is super tight. I'm talking about super tight. But what's crazy is that although everything is so crammed in, legit nothing is hitting. So everything's not hitting. It's so freaking awesome how everything works here. Super tight space, but we made it work, and hopefully everything goes good. So right now I'm pretty much gonna go ahead, clean the station, go ahead and top off the engine with oil. It's almost 2 a.m. It's freaking crazy, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Get some sleep. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new day. Ooh, the hair is crazy, but the car is almost done. All we gotta do is pretty much put the bumper on, put the wheels on. Everything else should be good, man. Literally, there's nothing else. I'm excited, I'm nervous, and let's go ahead and assemble the car. Alright guys, it's been some time, but we are ready. The bumper is on and we are ready to tow the car. Doesn't that look good? Oh man, that looks freaking saucy. We're just gonna wait till 4:30. We're gonna go ahead and call the tow truck, have them pick it up, and then pretty much send it out to where we're gonna be tuning the G35, and then we're probably gonna leave it there and then come back tomorrow morning to have it tuned. They'll probably inspect it there. I don't know yet the process. He told me I can go ahead and bring it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it. I don't want any last minute things, you know, like you leave it for Saturday morning, you call the tow truck and then like, bro, sorry, we don't have any drivers, or hey, we can't do it right now. Like, there's just a lot of problems, so might as well get it situated right now, Friday. That way Saturday we have, even though we're there early, super early, it's all right. At least we're there, we're calm, relaxed. All we gotta do is wait, instead of having all that trouble and having everything go bad. All right, so there's the G35 all done. Man, it's freaking crazy. I do need to take some tools though, so we're gonna go ahead and pack ourselves our tools. I don't think we should take a Dremel, I mean, for whatever reason, but zip ties is a must. Is gonna be your best friend when it comes to project. We're just gonna take the whole damn toolbox, take our Craftsman box, take our big ratchet, masking tape. I don't know why, but just in case. We'll take duct tape too. We'll take our socket set. We'll go ahead and take some fasteners just in case we have to secure anything. You know, toss those in. Our mighty ratchet. What else? A couple of different size extensions. We'll take the smaller ratchet. We'll take a wrench, a magical wrench. I don't know why that would be magical. Some pliers, some cutters maybe. We'll take our PCV hoses just in case. You never know what we need them for. Just in case, you know. We'll go ahead and take a Sharpie just in case, you know, just in case. We'll take a blow dryer just in case we have to heat up anything. Like, you never know. Like, you really never know. All right, and I think that's about it. We also have our jugs already full. We got 5 gallons in each of E85. So this is solid. And then we're gonna go ahead and take some coolant. This is empty, but we're gonna go ahead and take some coolant because we're gonna go ahead and bleed it afterwards just in case. So I'm gonna take extra coolant. We need that engine oil, and we should be solid. We should be solid. Hey guys, a little update. It's 6 o'clock. I kind of knew this was gonna happen, but we arranged. We're going to go with AAA insurance. With my girlfriend was gonna go ahead and do it for me. So with those insurance tow companies, I know sometimes. I mean, there's millions or freaking thousands of people subscribe to insurance, so I knew like they're not gonna come right away. That's why I definitely did not want to leave it to Saturday, because I was almost 100% sure that they were not gonna show up. Well, we try to get it for 5 p.m. and they're not showing up. They have nobody available, and it's during the day. Imagine in the morning, like at 4 a.m. there was definitely not gonna be someone. So as of right now, I have no tow truck. I'll keep you guys up to date, of course, with the vlog, see what happens. But yeah, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I know one thing, we have to get the car over there, but I'm not sure how. Our job day number 3, it's 9 o'clock p.m. and it seems like finally the tow truck guy is finally showing up. At 5 o'clock, they said 43 minutes. 43 minutes passed by. Then they said 1 hour. We waited a whole ass hour. Then they said, what, 12 minutes? Then they said 20 minutes. Man, AAA is triple ass, bro. Alright guys, so we just arrived to the location. We have 2 Z's already parked, and then we have a shop over there. Alright guys, we just got to the location. We're unloading the G35, and we should be good then. Alright y'all, we just dropped down the G, we let it go, and we'll be coming for it tomorrow. This is probably the sketchiest stuff I've done. There's actually 2 Z's over there that are over there, and they're freaking still tuning there right now. They're not doing like any major tuning. I think the guy said they're going back to stock or something. So they're still there, so that gives me a little bit of more confidence, you know. I'm not really tripping that much. But yeah, and that's one of the guys that was there is the actual NorCal, I think his name's Dad's G37, the guy who does all the NorCal tuning appointments and stuff. So he was there helping the gentleman. So leaving the car there, coming back tomorrow bright and early, probably like 6 a.m. or 7. Nah, that's hella early. I don't know what time we'll come, honestly, but we'll pick up then and see what happens. All right guys, we're making a food stop here at The Habit. Whoever says In-N-Out is better than The Habit, y'all capping, bruh. The Habit is completely underrated, bro. One of the best burger places ever.
The combo.
This girl
What kind of drink can I get
screams
for
when
you?
she orders.
What kind of drink do you want?
Lemonade.
Lemonade, please.
Why is she
Regular
screaming,
strawberry or
bro?
mango? Regular strawberry or mango?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Strawberry, okay.
Damn, she about to break the
And then
mic.
can I have the chicken club?
Bro, check this out, bro. This thing looking crispy, bro. It's a teriyaki burger from The Habit, bro. 10 out of 10 recommended. With some fries and some onion rings. She was grumpy. We were both grumpy. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna catch some sleep, wake up tomorrow very early for the Dino Tune date. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next video with the Dino Tune. Hopefully you guys are excited as much as I am, as much as nervous. But I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the support. Be distinct. Peace out. Stay safe. Love you guys. Peace.